Hi and welcome back to my channel and the Diaspora to Home series. And today I'm excited because we are here at the Belton Residence on the Aburi Mountains, and I'm here to present to you with my partner, Sesso Global, an amazing property for sale. So make sure you stay tuned. If you haven't done so far already, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment and share, do all of the above and stay tuned. Hi, I'm Lorraine Wright from Diaspora to Home.
And I'm Aburi from Sesso Global.
Amazing. Together, we present to you Belton Residence. We are here in a place that I dearly love. It is my hometown. We are on Aburi Mountains. And what do we have here, Aburi? What do we have?
So, we have a beautiful range of 2, 3 and 4 bedrooms. Mm-hmm. So it's practically a 16-bedroom gated community. And as you can see, it's beautiful. The environment is quite serene. You have, you're in the misty mountains with the breeze. The weather is all nice and warm. Depending on the time of the year, but it's a beautiful place. So I'm hoping we can explore it more, show the people what we have here.
Amazing indeed. So we are standing right now in a 3-bed house, right? In this complex, as mentioned, there are 16 units that are available. They are selling off plan. And this 3-bedroom luxury, I almost like to put like a villa. It's always got like a villa type feel, right? It's luxury. What I understand is that all of the furnishings and fittings are all imported.
Exactly.
Right? Do you have any idea why? Why are we importing?
Okay, so the developer has a keen attention to detail, and she's all about quality. She has also been, living in the UK for practically her whole life. Mm-hmm. And with the kind of quality that she was looking for with her finishes, she just taught it best that she imports them. Not to say, Ghana, they are not quality, or we don't have that in Ghana here, but she was just comfortable, working with that standard and looking at, her taste and what she has done. It's quite impressive.
The taste is definitely impressive. As we're going to do a little bit of a tour. As we go through here, you will see that there is good, amazing quality finishes, right? We've got 3 bedrooms here. The 3 bedrooms are all ensuite, right? The master bedroom has pretty much a walk-in wardrobe and a nice bathtub there. I can't wait to show you what that is like. But yeah, here, what was mentioned, right, is that the scenery that we're here, that we can see right now is like the beautiful Aburi Mountains, what views literally for days, right? So just let people know what are some of the key features of what they can get here at the Belton Residence.
Okay, so at the Belton Residence, you have, first of all, from the front door, you have your American oak door, which is, very, on security-wise, it's very heavy, and I can say it's impenetrable. How do you put that word? You can't penetrate it.
Okay, impenetrable. Impenetrable. I don't know if that's the word, but impenetrable.
Exactly. And,
I love that.
And with every house as well, there's a borehole system with a filtration. There's a borehole with a filtration system as well, so you don't have to worry about water and nothing like that. All the rooms are ensuite, as I said, with generous space. And even us starting here, you can tell the floor to ceiling height is also quite impressive as well. So here is it has that homey feature. It's where you can, if you're looking for a vacation home, you're looking for a home to raise your kids. It's the best place to be. And yeah, I can say, the kitchen as well. The kitchen has, is well fitted, has everything in there. There's also a guest. I think there's a voice cottage as well, right?
Yeah,
there's a voice cottage as well. I think we'll show them that as well. But there's just generally, this place is beautiful. It has, definitely exactly what people in the diaspora are looking for as a second home. Looking to repatriate back here is definitely the place to be, I would say.
Absolutely. Amazing. So something that you mentioned that I picked up on is just the opportunity for the diaspora who want to have this as a second home or potentially to live in. And that's what I see when I come here. This is a perfect place for somebody who maybe is looking to retire, maybe somebody who wants to move their entire family, or maybe somebody who needs a vacation home. This is perfect for you, right? The scenery is amazing. There's going to be a front garden, 360 landscape all around. So you can just have the views and just be outside and just have the peace and the quiet. So it's that kind of location. Now, if we want to speak about the prices, right? This 3-bed I heard is going for 3 beds are from $395,000, right? And what if somebody wanted a 4-bed? How much are they paying there?
It's $495.
$495. So the prices start from $395 or $495. Right?
Standard. So I mean, definitely, if you want some specific modifications, I mean, that's the beauty of off-plan. I mean, the developer builds with you. So if you want some add-ons or you want some subtraction here and there, I mean, to your taste. So at the end of the day, I mean, it's sort of like he's walking you through the whole building process and you get it exactly to the taste that you are looking for.
That's what
so
I love.
Yeah.
For me, off-plan is actually where it's at. Like, I really believe that when you buy it off-plan, you can see the capital appreciation literally immediately the moment the property is built. And the great thing about here is that these are 16-unit developments, right? And they're all being sold off-plan. I understand about 5 or 6 of them at least have sold, right? And you've got a community of people that are going to be in this area. You know, there's car parking space, there's space for you to relax with your family as well. But the beauty for me is that when you do buy off-plan, like was mentioned, there are some things that you can customize, right? Maybe there's something that you don't like. Maybe the big French doors, which I absolutely love, maybe you might want to have the doors slightly done differently, right? So there's a chance for you to grow, as was mentioned, with the builder, with the developer, right? If you are the kind of person that you have seen, you thought about maybe building yourself, right? And you want to like, you know, take something from beginning to end, this is a perfect opportunity for you because you know what the finished product is going to look like. These are trusted developers that you can actually work with you that are going to actually be building with you throughout the entire process. So when it comes to, you know, what the inclusions are, so when somebody's buying, right, what can they expect, right? Maybe from the kitchen finishing, fittings, AC units, what can people expect when they're buying this property?
Okay, so the standard fittings are here. The kitchen will be fitted. I think the wardrobes as well are also going to be fitted in there with AC units and also the fireplace as well. It comes with the fireplace. The fireplace is also going to be there. I mean, the European imported doors with also the American oak front door, the borehole system, the garden as well. I mean, those are the standard things that it comes with. So, I mean, there's actually one owner on the property that he decided to have a pool. So I mean, you can decide to, if maybe you don't want a garden, you want a pool, you can decide to trade that in and, you know, go for that as well. I mean, he's actually a swimmer, so he has a long pool on his side of his property. So I mean, there are certain things that you can decide on, but the standards are, you know, the ACs and the AC is actually centralized as well.
Amazing.
Yeah, and the AC, the kitchen will be fitted, and the kitchen also has the stable door feature, whereby you can just open it in half, and then exactly if you're cooking and you need that fresh air, you can have that as well, and you know, the wardrobes and all that. So those are the standard things that it comes with.
Amazing, truly a home away from home. I think we need to do a walkthrough.
We definitely have to. We need to show them.
Let's see what the place is like. So come with us. Hi, and welcome to Belton Residence. I'm going to be giving you a tour, but before we do, you have to check out this American home tour. Look how solid it is, with high security functionality. So come on, let's do a tour of Belton Residence. First things first, when you walk into anybody's house in Ghana, the first thing you get to see is the hall. Look at this amazing open plan hall that you've got. High ceilings, amazing POP, central AC as well, and something I really like, amazing feature here. Come and check out this fireplace, which houses in Ghana. Have you seen the fireplace? Amazing feature here, the TV on here. Sit back, relax, and that's what you've got here. Another feature that I absolutely love is these beautiful French sliding windows or doors, whatever you want to call it. So as you can see here, if you really want to get some amazing fresh air, just slide back these French doors. We're going to go outside. Let's go outside. Got these French doors, high security as well. You've got this terrace area that you can relax, pull up something, patio area, chill, check out the scenery as well. One thing you should know that these properties are being sold off plan, so you get to see what's actually happening is people that have bought the houses, you can see they're now actually building them, right? So if you're interested, do make sure you get in touch and you can get your property built for you to your spec as well, right? Come and check out some of the features. Here we have a great area we can use potentially for a dining area. So it's a little bit away from the hall, put a table here, dining set, and you have a really nice meal here with the family. For you to have a dining area, you need a kitchen. This is one of my favorite areas in the house. Come and check it out. What I love about this kitchen is it's giving me country vibes, right? It's giving me country vibes. You can see where we are, in the mountain, right? We've got high quality products here that have been imported out, as we mentioned as well. You've got your oven, your hood as well. Come and check this out. Really nice feature here. This is what's giving me country vibes, because you've got a stable door here as well. So if you're cooking and it gets too hot in here, you can open up the kitchen door, half of it, let the air come in, right, without having the full door open. I love that feature. So, let's go check out the rest of the house. Come with me. We're going to check out the bedrooms, right? So in this unit there are 3 bedrooms. They are all ensuite as well. So first up, we've got a decent sized bedroom. In this bedroom, you've got a fitted wardrobe that comes inclusive in this room. You've got a mirror that's actually fitted in this room as well. And you've got a really nice ensuite bathroom. Let's check out bedroom 2. So I love the layout of bedroom 2. First, as soon as you come in, you've got a beautiful bathroom, a beautiful ensuite bathroom. And then you've got a real spacious room as well, as you can see here. Really great light as well. I'm all big on light, so you've got really big windows as well to let the light come in. Finally, you've got the master bedroom. Come and check this out. Now, what I love about this master bedroom is the walk-in wardrobe. So as you can see, you come in here, there is an area for you to put all these things. I mean, this is the kind of thing that a girl loves. Every girl loves this. You come in, once you come in, you've got a real spacious room. You've got a bathtub as well. The ensuite is actually one of my favorites in this house. So when you come and see this, you see you've got a shower and you've got a bathtub as well. And then you've got your bedroom area. So here you can see loads of light coming in as well. You can open it up and have your own personal area as well in this bedroom. So out here you've got your beautiful 360 garden landscaping that you can just come out and relax, have a barbecue, have friends around, whatever you want. Just enjoy the peace and tranquility of the Aburi Mountains. So if you like what you see and you're interested in the property of Belton Residence, then make sure you get in touch or check out my website. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you stick around for my next videos. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you comment and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, I do hope you found this video useful. Now, if you're interested in finding out more about how to purchase property in Ghana and generate some rental returns from it, then do check out the link below to my free online masterclass, which takes you through my 10-step process to help you to get on the property ladder in Ghana and generate some rental returns from it as well. So don't delay, just click on the link below and I will see you in class. Now, if you haven't done so far already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, continue to like, follow, share, do all that good stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.